Have you ever wondered what the next great scientific discovery will look like? For generations, breakthroughs have depended on years of experiments, failed attempts, and countless hours inside laboratories. But that may be starting to change. And the reason is artificial intelligence. A team of researchers at Stanford University says AI is quietly becoming one of the most valuable partners a scientist can have. Not because it's replacing researchers, but because it's helping them see things they simply couldn't see before. Imagine trying to find one tiny clue hidden inside billions of pieces of data. A human team could spend months searching. An AI system can sift through that same information in hours, spotting patterns that would otherwise remain invisible. That's already happening. Scientists are using AI to decode complex genetic data, build virtual models of human cells, search for new medicines, and even analyze massive amounts of information collected from deep space. It's turning impossible workloads into manageable ones. But here's the part that really caught my attention. Researchers say AI isn't just helping answer scientific questions anymore. In some cases, it's beginning to suggest entirely new questions, ideas that scientists hadn't even considered exploring. And sometimes asking the right question is what leads to the biggest breakthrough. Of course, this doesn't mean AI is making discoveries on its own. Every prediction still has to be tested, challenged, and verified by real scientists. Human experience, intuition, and critical thinking remain at the center of every breakthrough. Still, it's hard not to feel that we're witnessing the beginning of something historic. The next life-saving drug, the next revolutionary material, or even the next major discovery about our universe could arrive much faster than anyone imagined. Not because AI replaced scientists, but because it helped them think differently. And that may be the biggest scientific breakthrough of all. If you enjoy science and technology stories like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.